ये हो ना एकदम ताज़ा ताज़ा तो दवाई रख ली है लो
It was so funny because I was eating breakfast this morning before coming to work and I was watching this song on TV. Madhuri and Sanjay Kapoor, can you believe it? Unbelievable. But this song brought back so many memories and I thought, you know what, I have to play it on the show today. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Now then, this hour is all about your lost in translation. So here we go then today. You have fallen in love, sweetheart. You can deny it 100 times, sweetheart. Any ideas? Get your guesses in. 044561458 is a number to dial. You can also text Sunrise followed by a space and then your message and send it to 64343. Or you can email by simply logging on to sunriseradio.com. So once again, then you have fallen in love, sweetheart. You can deny it 100 times, 100,000 times, sweetheart. Any ideas? Get your guesses in now. And your first clue is that the song is picturized on Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan. Get your guesses in. I'll be giving you some more clues throughout the course of this hour, so make sure you stay tuned to find out what your lost in translation is. Yesterday's one was very easy, so hoping today's one is a little bit easy as well. I think it is, being the item that it's picturized on. Here we go, then please unmove the girls. It's Humko, Tumko, Nigahon mein, Humko, Nigahon mein, is tarah chupana.